Well, welcome everyone. I want to talk with you with Jackie Chapman, and she was in my photo organizing class. And this gal is amazing, and it was perfect
Oh,
timing for Jackie, and I'm excited for you to meet her. So, Jackie, just tell us hi, what did you like about the photo class? What did you learn that maybe you didn't know before?
well, the first thing was the eye doctor sort. It's such a simple concept about which one's better, A or B. And that helped me so much by just downsizing the amount of photos that I had inherited. I had inherited it from two sets of parents, plus my own. So just looking which one's better and then getting rid of them, because we don't need all those photos. We really don't. And then, okay, yeah. So the other thing, I learned another thing. Um, so I have so many photos that are printed, and I needed to get them to my cousin who is putting together a video show for my parents' celebration of life. And I learned that I could scan these photos and put them in Google Drive in a file and then share that file with anyone I want. And it was amazing. Even the scanning app that my grandson helped me with um, improved the quality of the printed photos. It
Oh.
straightened them and it actually made the photos look better. So it was amazing. When I actually looked at the file that he helped me put together on my computer and saw the photos, I was just amazed at how beautiful they are. Technology these days is pretty incredible. I mean, that's just on a cell phone too. So those were the two things I learned the
Oh,
most.
that's great.
Mhm.
And as you say, technology has changed. And even since I started teaching it, just even a year ago, we have so many new things that we can use. So, what project did you do during photo class this time through? I mean, I know tell us more detail about that celebration of life.
Yes, well, my mother and her husband, my stepfather, who'd been married over 40 years, we had recently moved them into a nursing home in Nebraska, and they both passed away 10 days apart. And um, they tell me it was from COVID, but my mom was already in hospice, so I'm not really sure. And I was not able to go see them before they passed away, which was really hard. But God worked and he provided an amazing person that was with them when they passed away. So God is amazing. But I was not able to go to their funeral, their burial. We saw it via cell phone, both sets of families. The pastor had two cell phones and showed it that way. So I saw it that way, but our family needed closure. So finally, we felt like the pandemic was slowing down a bit. So we scheduled their celebration of life for this October. And that's what I wanted the photos for. So when I saw you were doing this class right now, it was perfect timing for me. So I could get these photos. I had inherited two sets of photos from my parents, and I had mine, and then this helped me organize them all, get them scanned, get them to my cousin who is putting together the video slideshow for the celebration of life, which I'm really excited about.
That's good. About how many photos do you think there are for this celebration of life?
I think there's probably 60, but this week I found another little section of photos that I'm probably going to scan another maybe 10 or 20 and send them over to him. So I saw somewhere that like between 60 and 100 is good for a show like this. But I told him, I said, just pick the best ones. And we used music that my mom had requested it to be at her memorial service. So I don't know, I think he may be using two songs. So I said, just make them fit to the music, however you want to do it. So
Okay,
yeah,
great. All right. So, who would you recommend the photo class for?
everybody. We these photos, we take them, we have generations of photos, we take them, we store them, they sit in our cabinets and boxes. And that was the amazing thing when I was sorting through these photos, is all the wonderful, I had painful emotions, but I also had wonderful emotions just seeing my life, and to see how happy my parents were together. That was a joy to see all the smiles. And so um, I think the slideshow is going to be beautiful to share with the family, but that's just a one-time event. So I think having them in albums, you know, everyone should get them in albums so that we can share them with the next generation. I mean, my grandchildren, I know they're going to really enjoy them, and I want to do an album of my own life, So I'm looking forward to putting these in albums.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, we invite everyone to join photo organizing, whatever stage you're in. We cover the print photos, we cover the digital photos, and there's so many ways for them to cross over, to make your prints into digital and digital to be sharing them. So you come to the photo organizing class, and every time people join, and they join more than once, there's a different project. And we have new technology, and we're always up to date and sharing that. So thank you, Jackie. We're
Welcome.
excited for your program that you're going to be sharing with your family. Thanks for being a blessing to other people too. All right. Thanks. Bye for now.